we go ahead with our question number 8. Question 8. Question 8 is describe one example of adaptive radiation. Okay, what does adaptive radiation means? Okay, so homologous organs represents adaptive radiation. Homologous means something that is similar. Similar what? Organs. So, 4 limbs of vertebrates. Our 4 limbs. 2 hands, 2 legs. Oh, okay, just 2 hands. Such as seal. Okay. 4 limbs of vertebrates such as seal, bird, bat, horse and man have different shapes and serve different purposes. Okay, it looks similar. All of it. They have different shapes and serves different purpose. But, however, they were built on the same basic structural plane. Okay, so the root of all of those things is something similar. Therefore, these organs are example of adaptive radiation. And students, what? Divergent evolution. What? Divergent evolution. So from one specific thing, several different structures were made which has different purpose and has different size, and this is what is known as divergent evolution. Okay, so again, 4 limbs of vertebrates such as seal, birds, horse, men have different shapes and serve different purposes, but were built from one same basic structural plan, and therefore these organs are the best example of adaptive radiation or divergent evolution. Okay,